Better not go into the theater together.
Yeah, Lina's probably waiting at the door. Kathy, how I wish.
Don't worry, Don. I'll be leading the cheering from the balcony. Kathy.
What is that sound? The thunderstorm outside?
No, it smells darn pearl.
What's the matter, my lady?
Oh, Teresa, I am so downhearted. My father had betrothed me to the Baron de Lansdale, and I can't stand him.
That is such a catch. Why, every lady of the court wishes she were in your pretty shoes.
And my heart belongs to another, Pierre de Martinez, and ever since I saw him, I can't get him out of my mind.
Sounds just like my cousin Paul.
She never could remember where that darn light was.
They called me here, and I am smitten by his error. I must come charging to your side, despite the threats of madam like guillotine. The perilous princess of the night, I love you. I love you, 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 I love you.
Captured my rope alarm.
Now what is that?
Oh.
And why is the sound? It's auto synchronization. Don't fix it.
On my own.
Years, miles away. Yes, 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 yes.
We're all ruined.
Listen, RF, we cannot release this picture.
You've got to. It's booked to release in 6 weeks, all over the country. I mean, maybe we'll get by. Taco and La are so popular, and